The Red Ribbon Quiz Competition 2020, which is part of NACO National Campaign, was organized by Meghalaya AIDS Control Society from the 10th November till the 18th November 2020, saw a participation of 22 colleges of the state. The goals and objectives of this program is to actively engage members of the Red Ribbon Clubs in disseminating the information related to HIV/AIDS, adolescent health, mental health, and any other public health threat, etc., and make them discuss these issues through mode of quiz. The quiz competition was held in 3 zones, namely Zone A, Khasi Hills and Riboy districts, Zone B, Janta Hills district, and Zone C, Garo Hills district, culminating to the state-level finale, which was held on the 18th November 2020 at Doordarshan Kendra, Shillong. The program was organized in collaboration with Jantia Eastern College, Clariat for Jantia Zone, along with Don Bosco College, Tura, for Garo Zone and Doordarshan Kendra, Shillong. The winner of the quiz competition was bagged by St. Edmund's College, Shillong, followed by Martin Luther Christian University, Shillong in second place, and third place was shared by Don Bosco College, Tura, and Sora Government College, Sora. Dignitaries present during the finals was Dr. Mrs. R. Alia, Project Director, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Shillong, Shri Derek P. Paryat, Head of Program, Doordarshan Kendra, Shillong, and representatives of the various colleges and students.